Okay, so in this video, I'm going to be showing you how I made this home screen. It's pretty simple, easy to follow step-by-step procedure. This home screen I made anytime the students click home, they go to this page, so that way they're not too confused. And then they can get to anywhere from here. For example, they want to get to their modules. I'll be linking this week assignment right here. I might change this today, I'm not sure. My syllabus, ways to contact me is here, and then of course announcements will be attached there once I post my first announcement. So how do I make this? The first thing you're going to need is you're going to need a blank document, and you're going to need this FireShot Chrome extension here. So the way I get that is I go to the Chrome App Store, and then I'm going to search for FireShot, and you'll add the extension, and it'll be right there. All right, so let's go ahead and get started. The first thing, of course, we want is a blank home page. You first want to decide what buttons do you actually want them to have. So, for example, do you want a link to their grade? Do you want a link to maybe Zoom expectations? That's kind of what you'll decide. For right now, I'm just going to do 3 of them to show you. You can add as many as you want down here. So I'm just going to go ahead and quickly show you how I did that. Okay, anytime you're playing around with Canvas, Canvas is phone compatible. There is an app. So you just want to remember that when you're using Canvas, you have to make sure everything's centered. Otherwise, it'll be all messed up on their phones. Okay, so the first thing I want to do is create a table. So now you want to decide your rows or your amount of buttons. So for example, I said I'm only going to do 3. And then of course we want 2 rows because I want to do my top row as my title. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. I'm going to merge these top ones. Oops. And then these are where my buttons will go. And this will make sure everything's very centered. So the next thing we want to do is go to Cell Properties. We want to make sure everything's aligned in the center and middle. If you wanted to make a background, you can do that here. So now everything's going to be nice and centered. Even if I make this smaller, it's still going to center itself once you edit that whole table properties. So we want to align center. So again, all I did so far was table. You can go here. So you have your table properties and your cell properties. Your cell is going to be what's going on inside. Your table is going to be the table in its entirety. Okay, so for now we'll leave the outlines here, but we're going to take away these lines because of course these don't have lines around them. So now I want to make my buttons and my title. Do that is I'm going to make it into an image. So I'm going to go ahead and go like this, try to make it even on both sides. I'm going to save as image, and then I'm going to go back here, upload image, and there we go. So that'll have to do. Now I'm going to add my buttons. So the way you do this is in your drawings. You can actually just go ahead and download as an image. And then I'll go ahead and insert that here. Let's highlight it all. Cell properties, border style, hidden. And then that's about it. And then you can, of course, connect this or link this to your announcements page, and then you're pretty much done. So you want to go ahead and save this. This is what it looks like. If you wanted to add like your bit emoji or anything right here, all you'd have to do is enter this down. So this is one whole thing. So you just click on the side, enter, and then you'd center yourself. So I'm right here now. Save that image. And I'm going to insert. Make this a little smaller, and there we go.